Disconnect Instagram account on other devices. Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video. This one's for those of you who suspect your account is being accessed on another device and want to remove unknown devices. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get started. First, open Instagram. On Instagram, tap the three lines at the top. Click on the Account Center option. In Account Center, tap Password and Security at the bottom. You'll see options like changing password and two-factor authentication. What we want is to see where you're logged in. So, click on that option. Here, check for devices you don't recognize. Let's say I don't recognize this Mendes access. What do? I'll click here to select the devices I want to disconnect. It'll show some checkboxes on the side. I'll mark this unfamiliar location here. Then just click Sign Out at the bottom. Confirm and you're done, folks. You can do this on other devices too if you want. Remember, you can support the channel by clicking the Thanks button and donating any amount. Did you manage? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.